Here it asks you to find the algebra expression or the equation that best describes the graph of this line. Well, you know that if you use the form y equals mx plus b, if you know the y-intercept and you know the slope, you can write the equation of the line. Well, from this picture, we can identify both the y-intercept and the slope from this picture. So y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis right here, right here. So I know that my b must be -1, crosses right there. Now I can figure out what my slope is. All you have to do is figure out your rise over run between 2 points. So to get to this next point here, I would have to go up 2, up 1, 2, 3, and I'd have to go over 1. So I'd go up 3 and over 1. So this would have a slope of 3 over 1. So if I know my slope is 3 or 3 over 1 and my y-intercept is -1, I can throw them into my equation right here and I can find the equation of the line just from looking at that picture. I look down here, however, and my slope, there is no slope right here with 3. So I'm going to back up for a second and see if I misinterpreted the graph. I'm wondering if their points are drawn a little bit funny. Okay, so it's a good thing to see this type of problem because I got a slope of 3 and a y-intercept at -1, but none of these answers right here have a slope of 3. So I'm going to take a look at 2 of their different points. If I go from this point to this point, I go up 2 and over 1. So from these 2 points, it looks like there's a slope of 2. So I'm not quite sure why this is so inaccurate right here, but it's an inaccurate picture. So from here we can figure out the slope is actually 2 or 2 over 1. I apologize for the confusion on that. That's where you just have to be smarter than the math problem. You have to be able to look at it, and if your answer is not there, try to figure out what is going on in that picture. So that just is a misleading picture. But between the help of looking at these answers and being able to use my formula y equals mx plus b, we're able to figure out what it was supposed to be.